I was losing my hair. I got a hair transplant. I spent a lot of money on it, and just look at it, it's still too thin. My doctor recommended HairCubed. It's made of organic ingredients. It's the only one that is waterproof. I swim and I jet ski regularly, and guess what? It stays. This is how easy it is. First, shampoo your hair and make sure it's totally dry and clean. Second, shake the can well and hold it 3 to 5 inches away from your head. Spray on the thinning area of your hair. Third, brush with HairCubed ionic brush for at least 30 seconds. The secret is, the more you brush, the thicker your hair will become. Fourth, apply sealer control spray and let dry 2 to 5 minutes. The sealer creates a new layer on top of the fibers, leaving you with a totally natural look. When completely dry, you can use wax, mousse, gel, oil, or any other hair product. This is how I look before, and this is how I look after. I'm just a happy customer, and I love HairCubed. I can sincerely say my self-esteem has really increased since I'm using this product. Try it.